the idea of working in a systematic way in order to be able to explore all of the opportunities within any defined design situation or problem. To avoid too much emphasis on ideas and notions of creativity, but to concentrate largely on crafting, making, process, and what would be called iteration, which is the notion of design being a cyclical sequence of creating things, evaluating them, and then trying to improve them. Always remember that there is an audience or a spectator, and to always focus the balance of what they do with some kind of speculation on how people might respond to it. And indeed, it's very important that any design that a designer produces is tested and is evaluated by showing it to other people, by discussing it with other people, tutors, peers, family members, potential audience members, as a way of ensuring that the piece of work is being developed in the right direction. At the same time, I think it's absolutely crucial and not particularly well taught, certainly in some of the institutions that I've had dealings with over the past few years, that the techniques and the technologies that facilitate graphic design have to be learned and have to be understood at a really deep level in order to articulate work clearly. So I think it's very important that students do put all of their energy into developing skills as people who can articulate ideas using visual methods and visual means.